Hi. Hi, Ronav. How are you?
Hi,
Hello. How are you?
I'm just making something really quick.
Okay. Okay. So
Which I
let's
put
start.
screen.
Okay. Let's start our today's drawing.
Finish.
I'm just putting my mobile so as you will be able to see my screen and the paper clearly. Did you like yesterday's drawing?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. So kindly keep your paper in the horizontal position. Kindly keep your paper in the horizontal position.
I did it. But I know.
Like this.
Yeah, I did.
Yes. So, what we will be doing today is okay. Keep your hand like this. Keep your hand like this on the paper. Keep your hand like this first on the paper. Okay, like this. See, my hand is so. It is on this corner. It is on this corner. Okay. These three fingers, the index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the thumb out. Okay. And sketch your hand. Not exactly in a way as your hand is, but somewhat like that. Okay. Now you can sketch it with the help of the black marker also, or the black sketch pen. Okay, understood how you have to do. That's why I have even sketched it so that it is easy to you. Who has joined from the name Rini? Who
It's
has joined from
Gauri.
the name?
It's
Yes.
Gauri and Buddha, ma'am. You
Okay,
will be
kindly
able
switch
to.
on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay, Ritvik and Rona, once you are done the sketching through the black pen, kindly let me know. Yes. So, see, my dear kids, you have to keep the paper horizontally. Okay. This is the top of my paper. This is the bottom of my paper. So, from the bottom, just keep your hand like this. Keep your hand like this. Okay. And sketch your hand first. Okay, and then do it in sketch pen. First sketch it in the pencil and then do it in the sketch pen. You have to include your thumb, your index finger, your middle finger and your ring finger. Okay, afterwards just then kindly sketch it in the black sketch pen. Rutvik and Ronav, are you done with the sketching? Then just say me that you are done.
I'm done, but I did three little mistakes. And now I'm gonna rub. One is first is I added this little ring thing over here, and second is my pinky is supposed to be smaller. I don't know. I'm just gonna.
Like this. This only your small finger should be inside. Rest it is like this.
Uh, the fourth teacher.
Yeah.
I just I feel like I have to restart since I take two. Take number two, not take number three or take number four. Take number two. Now let's take number three.
Once you are just done, then say me that you are done so that we can proceed ahead.
Ma'am, I have not understood.
Are my
Done.
dear, see,
Done.
the paper is in the landscape position, okay, horizontal position. What you have to do
Nice.
from down, you have to keep your hand like this. Keep your hand like this. Sketch your hand, okay.
Okay,
When
now
the
the other
sketching is
one.
done with the pencil, then sketch it in the sketch pen. Understood, Gauri?
Um,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No. Ma'am, Buddha was asking.
Yes, Buddha understood.
Yes. If you have
Okay.
not, then
I'm
ask.
Ritik done.
No, ma'am, he has not drawn anything. Tell ma'am that you have not got.
See, again
पहले तो
I'm
के बारे में
showing you
लेकिन
from the down. This is the down of my paper. I usually draw upside down and you have to copy as it is. So from the down, you have to keep your hand like this and sketch your hand first.
ये
Then do it in the black sketch pen.
which hand? Left or right?
If you are righty, then right, left. Then if you are lefty, then right.
Okay.
Yes, yes, Ritvik.
Ma'am, is this okay because I get a little teda pedo on sketching?
No problem. And I want you to do, my dear Buddha, not mama. Slowly, slowly, you will pick it up. Don't worry.
So I'm just gonna before I take my back. Do your Ma'am, I've done it a little coloring. You think it's a coloring because I had left some lines.
I didn't say you to color.
What?
I want this kind of round plate. This kind of round plate. Round plate.
I don't have a round plate.
Bowl,
I feel like
bowl, bowl. A bowl or a plate.
एक प्लेट या बाउल दो एक प्लेट या बाउल दो बड़ा प्लेट नहीं छोटा प्लेट
Kindly be on mute and ask your parents, my dear. Kindly be on mute. Ritvik. You can be on mute and ask your parents. Buddha and Gauri, kindly keep ready this kind of small plate or a bowl.
Will this work?
Yes. See what we have to do. I will show you. First see, then do. I again repeat. First see, then do.
Okay.
Do not do in a hurry. Kindly first see, then do. Okay, we are going to draw a big curve with the help of this plate
Wait.
like this.
Oh, I could have just used this.
First see, only then you have to do. See, now this finger, I'm sorry, yes. So now the middle finger, till the middle finger, the curve is coming and it is starting from here. Okay?
Ma'am, is this one fine?
Yes, dear. We just have to make a curve. Okay? So from the middle finger till here. See, my hand is like this. So from here I have started till the middle finger. Here.
Here until the middle, like now. Middle finger.
Understanding, everyone? Gauri, Buddha, Ronak, Ritvik.
Excuse me, ma'am, please see.
Yes, very good. What about Buddha?
He drawed it wrong, so he is drawing again.
Okay. So now after this, what we have to do? We have to see this we are drawing the abstract sun and moon, but in a very different kind. Okay, we are drawing the abstract sun and moon, but in a very different kind. So kindly each and every step do it very carefully. Each and every step do it very carefully. Okay, understanding? Okay, so here how we have to draw, just see. Okay, just see how we have to draw now. Triangle, curve, triangle. I can't say a triangle because we are just taking two slanting lines. Okay, it is already joining this line. And a curve. Okay, again I will say now two slanting lines and a curve. Again two slanting lines. See, like this. Understood?
Ma'am, is this fine?
Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Yes, yes, yes. Then for the eyebrow, we are going to draw a eyebrow now. Only one eyebrow. A curve, then a curve over here also, and then like this. See how we have done, huh? The way I am doing, you have to do the same way.
Teacher,
Yes.
my circle's like past the middle finger and past the index finger and right next to the thumb.
No, this goes till, this is from the little finger which we had folded and the ring finger and the middle finger. This is this part. Now the eyes, the eye, only one eye we are going to draw. Only one eye. What happened?
I'm still on this part.
Ma'am, see Buddha.
Yes, very good. It is slant, my dear Buddha. It should be like this. See, okay, then the eyes. Only one eye we are going to draw. Only one eye. Like this. Like this. Okay. So one curve. Another curve.
Curve, line, curve.
Understanding?
Sanjay?
Kids, understanding? Now, the mouth part. The mouth part. From here, curve, half curve. This will be half curve. Half curve. Then, slanting line.
Teacher, how do you
Slanting
do the
line.
eyes again? How do you do the eyes
Slanting
again?
line. See, like this. Understood?
Teacher, how do you do the eyes again?
Eyes. This curve down. This curve up.
This curve up, this curve down, and this.
Ma'am,
Teacher, I'm drawing.
Kindly again and again don't show me, kids. I will see at one stretch, because again and again if you show, okay, it will be a problem for you also, for me also. Kindly all of you be on mute. All of you should be on mute. Okay, so this much is done. Here we are drawing a circle touching the curve. Touching the curve. Just draw a circle. Okay, we are done with this much part. Leave it as it is. Now again, this side. This side. One more curve we have to draw. How first see, then you draw. How first see, then you draw.
Teacher, I'm having trouble on the mouth. Well,
What happened?
I'm having trouble on the mouth.
Why mouth is half curve and one slanting line?
Yeah, I can't rub it out since I didn't marker.
First, do it in pencil, all of you. I am doing directly with marker so that it is easy for you to see. You all have to do it in pencil first. See now, the thumb and the index finger. The thumb and the index finger are covered.
And this is what I got.
The thumb and the index finger.
Teacher, I don't have space for a circle.
Why? Okay, you have drawn full. No matter, keep it like this only. It was half and half. You have drawn full from year to year. Okay, now see what to do. Now see what to do. So here again, eyebrow. Here again, eyebrow. Curve down. Okay. And then this is a curve. Only a curve. Eyes are only a curve. Okay, understood? Draw like this, eyelashes. Then again a mouth. One curve. Mouth will be different in the moon. One curve. Another also curve. One curve. Another also curve, but all are half curves. Okay? It is half curve. Understood?
Ma'am, what are you making?
We are making the abstract sun and moon. Abstract sun and moon. This was a sun, what we did. This will be the moon.
What can we do next? I'm done.
Yes. Okay. Once you are done, just kindly sketch it. Just kindly sketch it.
I've already done.
And we will be doing the coloring part.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see.
Wait. Just a second. Just a second. Yes. Show me.
Ma'am, please see Bodhav's. Ma'am, see Bodhav.
Yes, yes, very good. I have seen.
Ma'am, I'm drawing extra one line because my moon is not full half semicircle. I'm drawing extra one line.
Okay. Now we are going to start the coloring from the sun. We are going to start the coloring from the sun. We will be needing deep yellow color. Deep yellow. The color number is 110. I'm sorry. The color number is 110. Deep yellow. Ronak, for you, it is yellow orange. Okay. So only the sun part. Don't color the eyebrow, the eyes, and the mouth. Only the sun body part. Okay.
Ma'am, please see.
Yes. Very good.
Ma'am, please.
First do the outline from the coloring and then start inside coloring. Okay, it is deep
Ma'am,
yellow.
what
Color
is the
number
color number?
110. Deep yellow. The color number is 110. Color in dark pressure. Okay. No white spaces should be seen. First color the outlines with the coloring. Outline of the eyebrow, of the eyes, of the mouth. Okay, so that your color is not going inside. That.
Ma'am, we have sketched, then how will we outline?
How can't see? I have done the outline first. Can you see? Why you cannot outline after the sketching? In the oil pastels, na. Once you are done with the oil pastels, na, then you can't sketch. Okay.
Ma'am,
Just
I mistakenly did the sun eyelashes
why?
because I thought both were eyelashes.
No, only one is eyelash.
And I also I mistakenly kept the moon eyes open.
No problem. Now do it. If you have did it in black sketch pen, then you can do it now as it is. Otherwise, you can erase it and draw it again.
I've sketched it.
Then leave it as it is. Now you can't do anything, na?
I'll draw again then.
Not now.
I mean in the night.
Yes, you can practice at home.
I've done the sun.
Kindly be on mute now, kids. Okay. The next two colors are vermilion hue and red. The color number is 449 and 350. 449 and 350. Okay. See, vermilion hue looks dark orange and it is 350 primary red. Okay. Acha.
Uh, teacher.
Ronak, for you it is orange, red, and red.
Um, no, I do have primary red.
Primary red, you have only simple red, right? You don't have primary red, na?
I do.
Okay, then take primary red and orange red. And for my other kids, it is vermilion hue and primary red. Okay, so the triangle part which we have done here, the slanting line part which we have done here will be in vermilion hue. Will be in vermilion hue. That is, Ronak, for
Teacher.
you it is orange red.
Teacher.
Yes.
I didn't really finish coloring the sun.
Okay, no problem. Do it. I will be waiting for you. Don't worry.
Ma'am, what is the number of vermilion hue?
Vermilion hue, the number is 449.
Why? And red?
Red, it is 2350. And the curves which we did will be in red color. The curves which we did will be in red color.
I've done.
Please be on mute. Whosoever is unmute, kindly be on mute. Okay. Now the mouth over here is also red color. Primary red.
And
The eyes, this part is red.
what this part is red? You said
Kindly see.
no coloring.
Kindly see. Kindly see.
Then that's a evil sun then.
And this is, the round is vermilion hue. The round is vermilion hue.
Okay. I will also do.
You also have to do, na? Why are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? The eyebrows you can do either in the sketch pen or with your oil pastel crayon in black only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
My dear. Yes, my dear.
I didn't understand what is the hand for.
We will be doing, don't worry.
I've done. I've done.
Now, kindly take your ultramarine
Teacher, I
blue.
didn't finish coloring the sun. Halka marine blue means?
Kindly take, I'm sorry. Wait.
Color number?
Wait, please. Yes, kindly take your ultramarine blue. The color number is 436.
Okay, I have taken.
Yes. And this moon part we have to color.
Ultramarine blue.
Ultramarine blue.
Wait, you get one. Ultramarine.
Please be on mute, my dear.
Ultramarine.
Ritvik, why are you not understanding to be on mute?
Ultramarine blue. How do you color your eyes in the sun?
Eyes, it is red, orange, that yellow. For you, it is red, orange in the circle and red outside.
Wait, which type of orange in the circle?
Red, orange, my dear. The one you did here.
Ma'am, I'm done. I don't have to color the eyes because I have eyes open.
Nah, then leave it as it is. Don't color, my dear.
Can I color the eyeball black?
Only color the eyeball black and then leave it white only. I told you it should be closed. Ronav, you do very patiently because you haven't drawn the moon, na? You can draw patiently. You can color patiently. Don't do in a hurry.
I've done. What do we have to do for the hand? I can do. Dun, 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 dun,
Buddha and Gauri, are you done with the moon?
dun, Ma'am, we are coloring the moon.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. I have done. Dun, dun.
I told you you have to be on mute. Are you understanding my voice or not? Say me.
Dun, dun, dun.
I told you 5 times to be on mute. Are you understanding or not, Ritvik? Am I not audible to you clearly?
I can't hear you only.
What?
I can't hear you only.
Leave the meeting and join back again.
Black.
Again, the eyebrow of the moon, you can do it black with the help of the black sketch pen or black oil pastel. Okay, gray color on the mouth of the moon. Gray color. Gray color
That
on
number,
the mouth of the moon.
ma'am, 180 is the grey color.
Gray color number is 1.
This grey.
Yes, 180.
Ma'am, the grey color number is 180.
Yes, yes, my dear. Gray color number is 180.
I've done the full moon and full sun. I've done. Ma'am, can I show? Can I show? Ma'am, can I show?
No, bacha, please wait. Okay, so the background. Now the background is as such. Sun side. The sun side background is cerulean blue. The color number is, just a second. The color number is 071 and deep green. The color number is 108. 071 and 108.
I only
Okay.
have
Ma'am,
the
Yes, very good. Yes. And how you have to do this color? Just see it carefully. Okay. Again, first do the
Ma'am,
outline.
excuse me, ma'am.
And this is
Teacher.
medium to hard pressure. Yes.
I only have a sun, not the moon.
Yes, you have to do the full background like this then.
Ma'am,
Okay. Take the cotton in your hands. Okay. So this is cerulean blue.
ma'am.
Yes.
Cerulean blue. What is the color after cerulean blue?
Deep green.
Number.
Just wait. I will say. Rona, which colors of blue you have?
Ma'am, see what the.
Yes,
Light
very
blue,
good.
Russian blue, dark blue.
Okay. Ronav, you have to take Persian blue and deep green. Okay. And all the others, you have to take cerulean blue and deep green. Now see how I am doing the background. Okay. Deep green, the cerulean blue down, then almost one finger space inside this color, then come out.
I'm using.
and then continue doing the deep green color. Only the sun side area we are doing like this. And this is medium to hard pressure, okay, because we have to blend it with the help of cotton, okay.
Ma'am, what is the number? 102 or
Of what,
108?
bacha? Bacha, 108 is deep green.
I have a.
Okay. Again, when we are done with the this color, what I say, deep green, then again one finger space inside the deep green with the blue and continue doing the cerulean blue.
How do I do it on this page?
As
How do I
per
do on
yourself, you can part. As per yourself, you can part. As per yourself, you can part. Again, one finger inside space deep blue. Then again the deep green to be done like that.
the shape?
The other side, don't go inside this. Now this is the fresh thing. So it is vermilion hue again. And red. Ronav, you have to do only the blue and green because you have not done the moon part. Again, one finger space inside the red. Then do the rest of the part.
Ma'am, which color you have done?
Vermilion hue and red. Vermilion hue and red. Now take your
What is that
cotton.
orange?
That is vermilion hue and red. Again the same thing, one finger space inside the vermilion hue. Okay. Now start blending with this green color first. Okay.
Which color number?
What which color number? Vermilion hue we have did na earlier, my dear. Vermilion hue, the color number is 449.
Yes, I know that, but what is the green color?
Deep green we did na. You have not done. 108. Okay. While blending, if it goes little bit inside the fingers of the hand, it is okay, but it should not go inside the sun or the moon or the rays of the sun or the moon. Okay. So do it very carefully, the blending part.
Is vermilion blue and
Deep green, what were you doing up till now? So take some cotton in your hand and blend it. Now blending, what will the blending give? See, the excess color will come here on your cotton. Kindly parents, those who are there besides the kids, don't keep the mic on unmute.
no? Oh, I'm not doing with a parent.
What, my dear?
I'm not doing with a parent. I'm just in the room by myself.
You also have to blend it. Take the cotton and start blending. Just
I'm still
leave
on
the
the
hand as
coloring part.
it is.
I'm still on the coloring part, not on the blending
Okay.
part.
Okay, color it and then you blend it. Just take a little bit of cotton in your hand, all the tissue paper, or if if you are not able to do near the the curve. You can even use the earbud. Now here, start with this orange. I'm sorry, vermilion hue.
Teacher, I'm not on the hand yet. And the recording's actually working very well since I did it very hard and it's working very well.
Please be on mute. Why are you not being on mute, kids? You are talking to your parents there and you are unmute here.
I'm not talking to my parents.
No, my dear, the other kids are also there. The other kids are also there. So I was talking to them. I just heard some voice. Last but not the least, black color inside this hand. And that too with the
Ma'am,
dark
save the
pressure. That too with the dark pressure.
ma'am, sleep Uddhav.
Yes. Yes. Ronak, we have to color the hand black.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to leave. I want to go somewhere.
Who is saying me this?
Ma'am, Uddhav.
Why? Where you want to go? Complete the hand. Where you want to go? Say me also.
Ma'am, I have to go my home.
Okay. No problem. You can do it and just send it to the group. Your completed drawing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please see Gauri.
Give me a minute, my dear. Give me a minute, my dear. Have you done the black color?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Because my hand is all in color. This is the completed drawing. Yes, show me, Gauri. Wow, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, kids, you can just send the picture of your drawings into the group so that I'll be able to see.
This is my one. Putties.
Yes. Show. Show.
Okay, throw these all in the bin.
Yes.
I'll
Take
take
this
them.
one. Yeah, if you want them.
Okay.
No, don't
Bye,
touch it.
dear kids. Kindly
Bye.
send me
See
the
you
completed
tomorrow
drawing
or
picture
next
on the group.
time.
Yes. Bye.
Give it to Monty since I actually had.